Well, Sherry, we're told that one student shared a threatening message targeting the city's new career tech campus using the airdrop function on their phone. Word spread quickly on social media, launching a threat assessment investigation and putting some parents on edge. Deshauna Hampton's son is a senior on Hoover High's football team. Then last night he told her about a threat circulating on social media.
All the chocolate kids will die is what was said.
And when you saw that,
it broke my heart. Broke my heart.
The message was linked to Hoover's brand new Career Connection Center, which includes students from both Spain Park and Hoover High Schools. Superintendent Kathy Murphy said they took the threat very seriously from the beginning.
We have concluded that there is no credible threat to the safety and security of our students, and that this was not racially motivated.
It turns out both students involved are African American.
There have been little threats here and there.
The school system's first official communication to parents like Hampton was after 8 o'clock this morning, when many high school students are already on campus.
I understand they don't really want to scare the parents, but I would rather be informed than hearing about it a day later, because anything could happen.
Certainly, had we felt like there was imminent danger to our students if they walked into our schools today, that message would have been very different, and that message would have been very much on a different timeline.
She claims they quickly reached the conclusion Hoover students were never at risk. Now, Dr. Murphy says the student will face appropriate consequences for any violations of student policies. Meanwhile, the Hoover Police Department tells me the decision on whether or not to file criminal charges has yet to be made. Live in Hoover, John Papke, WVTM 13.